customize iPhone home screen like pro. Open settings, scroll down, here you can see wallpaper, open this, then add new wallpaper, select, here you can see color, select this, select one of them color like select black color, swipe and select one of them like select solid, then add this, set as wallpaper. Now go to home screen, tap and hold on screen, then go to edits, select customize, open this, select dark color and then large size. So then again go back to screen, again tap and hold, go to edits, add widgets, select one widgets like select battery, add widget. Now arrange position of all icons, apps icons. Home screen customized successfully. Thanks for watching.